Come, let us spill this already spilled juice and get into some reality TV news. Now, these are the videos that I made on TikTok regarding Izingane Zestembu. Tell me, what are your views? What are your opinions? Ezinye, I'm a little bit behind, but you can never be too late for Umkosinyana. So please do like, share, and subscribe, and add your opinion while you edit.
So, on yesterday's episode, sorry for being late, guys. Izingane Zestembu. Yalapisa no like swantse na hane thata ona action mo leng hore o ketla ke le ready gore yes dia boa. It's giving, like you must just think a lot. But yesterday I think they low-key wanted to give us content around uLwandle, and I'm so worried ngolwandle, guys, ne ukuthi uLwandle, it means ukuthi he struggles also to express himself. And what we saw when he was with Usne, as if he was on the last dinner table on the last season, in the last episode, where we thought hi he anger, why is he triggered? I think he struggles to express himself, so he becomes when he is put in a corner, right? But now I was worried ukuthi Guy Vele has to ask Usiswake to be the one that formulates a plan for the car to be outed to Guti Ilimele, knowing very well Guti the mom is not going to have a problem. Yes, the mom will be sad, but the problem will be with the dad. Like, I don't know, guys. I don't know. uLwandle was articulate. And also, did you hear Uguti uLwandle uthe uLwandle akayanga esikolweni, like high school, so that's why he's going to get other privileges, you know. So I'm asking Guti, what is his problem? Does he have intellectual disability, or he just doesn't like school, or he does not want to leave Umzumbe and wants to run the family business? What is the challenge? Because I think Guti's been tried to go wafaila dismally wabuya nabantwana bawo 3 bayi-3 bayi-4 bakhe manje, but ke yena ubuye nje ubuya nezisu nje certificate asithola isisu. But ke uLwandle, I think he struggles to articulate himself. Ngani correcting, guys?